Hey, traders and aspiring traders. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the adrenaline-pumping world of day trading. If you're looking to make quick moves in the financial markets, this video is your express ticket to understanding the art of day trading. So, let's jump right in. Day trading involves buying and selling stocks within a single day to make profits. It's a fast-paced and high-risk strategy that requires careful planning and analysis of market trends. One of the key advantages of day trading is the potential for making quick profits. However, it's important to understand that day trading also comes with significant risks. Successful day traders often rely on technical analysis to predict short-term price movements. They use various indicators and chart patterns to identify entry and exit points for their trades. Risk management is crucial in day trading to protect yourself from substantial losses. It's important to seek professional advice and education before engaging in day trading. Always do your research and understand the risks involved before getting started in day trading. Stay tuned for more insights on trading strategies, market analysis, and mastering the art of financial markets.